Hola, vamos a aprender sobre lección 7, números 0 a 30. So first off, there is this great video right here, which we're not going to watch here in this video, but you can notice the title up top here, Cuenta Spanish Number Rap from Sing, Dance, Laugh, and Eat Tacos by Barbara MacArthur. You can look that up in Google Classroom, or not in Google Classroom, in YouTube, and you can watch it yourself. It is fantastic. All right, so here is numbers 0 through 30. So números 0 a 9. We have, first off, cero. We have uno, which this one I've starred because uno is rarely actually used as uno in a sentence. It's going to be changed. It's going to match with gender, which is kind of unique for uno. It's going to match with gender with the noun it comes before. So it'll change to un in front of a masculine noun like un hombre, and to una in front of a feminine noun like una silla. And you're only ever going to really use uno in what I like to call isolation. So in maybe like a title like lesson 1, lección uno, or maybe in like something like lap 1 of the race or something like that. You'll also use it when counting. By the way, those are the same as your indefinite articles in the singular. There is no difference between the translation of I have a dog and I have one dog. Yo tengo un perro is going to be the translation for both. And we have dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, and nueve. Then we have números 10 a 19. So 10 is 10. Then 11 through 15 are going to operate very similarly. You have once, doce, trece, catorce, and quince. Then you're starting at 16, and 16 through 29 will all have a certain pattern. So we've got 16. You can actually kind of see there 10, y, and 6, 10 and 6, all smushed together in one word with a few spelling changes. Also do notice the accent. Then we have 17, 18, 19. Números 20 a 30. So 20 is going to be 20. And then the same pattern is going to continue with like the idea of 20 and 1, 20 and 2, 20 and 3, all smushed in one word. So we have 21. And then this one is like uno. It's going to match with gender with the noun it comes before. So you also have 21 in front of a masculine noun and 21 in front of feminine nouns. You only really ever use 21 in isolation. So if you had 21 cars, 21 carros, 21 windows, 21 ventanas. And then we have 22. We have an accent there. 23 with an accent. 24 with an accent. 25 with an accent. 26. Sorry, 24 without an accent. 25 without an accent. Lo siento. 26 with an accent. 27 without an accent. 28, 29, and 30 is 30. So you'll notice there is 16, 22, 23, and 26, at least in their main name form, have accents. The trick for remembering those is the ones that end with S, starting with your teens. Teen numbers are going to have the accents. Then also on top of that, there is 21, also has an accent. All right, so we're going to do a little practice. Inténtalo. So there are 24 pencils. So there are is going to be the word I. There is or there are not is going to be no I. So hay 24 lápices. Número 2. There are not 16 markers. No hay 16 marcadores. So answer this question. This is looking around the classroom, or think about roughly how many there would be in the classroom. You don't have to answer precisely, but cuántas is going to be our question word, how many or how much, and then it's going to match gender number with the noun that it's asking about. So cuántas chicas, both are feminine plural. So cuántas chicas hay en el aula. So aula is the classroom. So how many girls are there in the classroom? So that's going to depend on how many, something like an answer of hay, say hay 10 chicas en el aula would be a good response. Hay 21 turistas en Roma. So translate that. Hay 21 turistas en Roma. There are 21 tourists in Rome. There are not 11 computers. No hay 11 computadoras. Answer this question. Again, thinking a little bit about my classroom. ¿Cuántos mapas hay en el aula? How many maps are there in the classroom? So, hay un mapa would be an answer if there was one. Hay 3 mapas. There would be 3 maps if you count my globe as well as the new poster I put up back. So answer this question. ¿Cuántos estudiantes hay en el aula? How many students are there in the classroom? And that's going to depend on your class. But somewhere probably for your class, the answer of hay 25 or 26 estudiantes hay. Or sorry, hay 26 estudiantes en el aula. Something like that. There are 30 books. Hay 30 libros. El fin.